Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using 3 colors from Fairy Glamor. Now these 3 colors here were recently released and they are part of the Arabian Nights Collection and they are stunning, and I just love how they have like those jewel tones to it. We are going to be making a set of press-ons and using dip liquids today, and then we're going to be doing some color blocking. Now this color blocking, I'm doing it a little bit differently. I want to do a color blocking like on a slight angle, so I'm just going to go ahead and place that in the middle of the nail, and then I'm going to make sure that that tape is super flat because we're going to be using 3 colors today for that color blocking. So we're going to start off by using that beautiful blue Genie in a bottle. It is the most gorgeous, vibrant blue. It is a solid, but it's like a blue, but it has like a slight purple undertone to it, and it's just overall really pretty and super buildable. And I am going to be doing 2 dips with this color today. All right, so let's jump into this mani, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight.
All right, and how gorgeous is this mani? I think it's super pretty. I love the jewel tones, and this blue Genie in a bottle is definitely one of my favorites, and I'm gonna have to use this again. I have some really fun Aladdin like Genie decals, and I think that would go perfect with these colors. But I hope you enjoyed this mani process. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. And if you want to see more colors from the Arabian Nights collection in action, I did do a swatch video. I will go ahead and link that right here in the card so you can check that out. And I will see you in the next upload.